One video, 168 million views. No actor, no script, no camera crew, just objects going into a shredder. And it's not one lucky hit. 107 million, 106 million, 91 million. Scroll that channel and it never stops. 4.43 million subscribers built on the same simple idea, over and over. At an estimated $4 RPM, a channel running those numbers is realistically pulling tens of thousands of dollars a month. Estimated, but you see the scale. Now here's what nobody tells you. That channel is real. Real shredder, real camera, real money spent, real years of work. You need none of it. The clip playing right now, 5 minutes, a few clicks, one tool, no camera, no machine, no editing skill, no face on screen. By the end of this video, your first ASMR video is finished and uploaded. I'm giving you the exact tool, the exact prompt I use, and the settings that make these look real instead of obviously AI. But watch out for one thing. There's a step at the very end that almost everybody misses, and it's the difference between a video that dies at 300 views and one that actually runs. Miss it and none of the rest matters. Stay with me and yours goes live today. Because right now this niche is still wide open, and that window closes the second everyone finds it. Let's build it. Alright, step 1, and this is the only thing I'm going to ask from you the whole video. Type the word ASMR in the comments and hit subscribe, and I'll send you the exact prompt I'm about to use. Not a watered-down version, the same one on my screen. That's it, that's the ask, let's get into it. Copy that prompt. Now open Claude. And before anyone asks, no, it doesn't have to be Claude. ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever you already have open, any of them will run this. I just prefer Claude for it. Paste the prompt in, hit generate and watch what it does. Because it doesn't hand you a video idea, it hands you 10 of them. 10 shredding concepts, ranked, each one built to work in this exact format. And this is where most people freeze up staring at a blank screen for 2 hours. You don't have that problem anymore. You're picking from a menu. So pick one. I'll take number 1. Paste that idea straight back in, generate again, and now the real thing happens. You get an image prompt and a video prompt, together matched to each other. That pairing is the whole secret to a long video. So Claude just handed you 3 things. 1 image prompt, 2 video prompts. And the way those 3 fit together is the entire trick to this. So stay with me for the next 30 seconds, because if you get this part, you can make a video of any length you want. Here's how it works. You generate the image first. That single image becomes your first clip. Then you take the last frame of that clip, the very final moment of it, and you feed that back in to generate the next clip. So clip 2 starts exactly where clip 1 ended. Then you do it again. Grab the image prompt first. That's what we're building from. Now the tool. It's called Akool. Akool.com. Links in the description under this video. And the reason we're using it is that it does both halves in one place. Images and video. No jumping between 5 tabs, no stitching things together from 3 different sites. Go there, sign up, log in, click Start from the dashboard. You'll land on the interface. You're on the dashboard. Look down the left side. Under AI tools, you've got video, image, audio. Hover image, click Generate Image. That's it. That's the whole navigation. Everything else on this page you can ignore today. New interface loads. On top of it, there's a model button. Click that and the list drops open. Dream 5.0 Pro, Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, a whole stack of them. Pick GPT Image 2. I've tested these against each other, and for this style it just wins. Cleaner objects, better lighting, and the textures actually read as real, which matters more here than anywhere, because the entire appeal of a shredding video is watching a real thing get destroyed. Now take that image prompt Claude gave you and paste it straight in. No edits. It was written for this. 3 settings underneath. Number of images, I'll take 2. Gives you a choice without burning credits. Aspect ratio, 9:16 if you're making shorts, 16:9 for long form. I'm going long form, so 16:9, then quality. Set that as high as your plan allows. Hit generate, and a few seconds later, look at that, 2 images from 1 prompt. That's your opening frame, and honestly, it already looks like something somebody set up in a studio. Now the fun part. Hover over the image you picked. An animate button appears right on top of it. Click that, new interface loads, and notice your image is already sitting there in the start frame slot. Nothing to upload, it carried over. Go to the model dropdown. Same deal as before. Big list. Google's Veo 3, Omni, a whole lineup. Take Seedance 2.0. This one choice decides whether your video looks real or fake. Seedance gets the physics right. Things break the way they should. Wrong model, and the plastic bends like rubber, and viewers feel it instantly. Under that, there's a prompt box with text already in it. Clear it out completely. Back to Claude. Remember you got 2 video prompts under that image? Copy video prompt number 1. Return to Akool. Paste it in. Now the settings. Audio, leave it enabled. Do not skip past this one. This is ASMR. Sound isn't decoration here. Sound is the entire reason anyone watches. Kill the audio and you've made a silent video nobody finishes. Number of outputs, I'll do one. Duration, set it between 8 and 10 seconds. That's your clip length. The aspect ratio matched what you chose earlier. 16:9 for me. Hit generate. Give it 30-40 seconds. And there it is. Your image is moving. That clip is 8 seconds, half the action. So here's how you extend it. Play the video to the very end, freeze on the final frame, right-click, save the video frame. That last frame is now sitting on your device. Go back, click the start frame slot, upload that frame, return to Claude, copy video prompt number 2, paste it in. Same settings, generate, and that's it. Clip 2 picks up exactly where clip 1 stopped. No jump, no reset, one continuous shot. Now download both clips. Do not skip that. You'll need them in the final step and I'll explain why later. But 2 clips is 20 seconds. You want 15 minutes. So watch how this scales. Remember Claude gave you 10 ideas and you only used 1? Go back to that same chat, pick idea number 2, paste it in, generate. New image prompt, new video prompts. Run the exact same loop. Image, animate, last frame, next clip, download, then idea 3, then 4. Each object is its own mini story. Shred it, chain it, download it, move on. That's how a real shredding channel works. It's never one object for 15 minutes. It's a compilation of 10. And now you can produce each one in about 5 minutes. Do it 8 times and you've got a 15-minute video with nothing but a laptop. I'll speed this part up so you can watch the whole thing come together. But before you upload any of this, there's one step left and it's the one I warned you about at the start. Skip it and every clip you just made stalls at 300 views. Your clips are done. Now you edit, and you don't need Premiere or CapCut. Back to Akool, hover video, second to last option, AI video editor. Upload your clips, drag them onto the timeline in order. That's the edit. Now stop. This is the step I warned you about and almost everybody skips it. Watch your video, all of it, every second, before you export. Because AI doesn't fail, obviously. It fails in 1 clip out of 8. An object bends wrong, an edge glitches, the motion stutters for half a second. You won't catch it while you're generating. The viewer catches it instantly, stops believing what they're watching, and leaves. 3 bad seconds sink all 15 minutes. So find that clip, regenerate it, drop it back in. 10 minutes of work. That's the whole difference between 300 views and a video that runs. Not the tool, not the prompt, just watch your own video before you upload it. Clean? Hit export, pick your resolution, done. Akool links in the description. Let's watch the result.